Today on Taste Test, we're tasting 5 Food Network stars pancake recipes, and I couldn't be more excited. Charlie, why don't you let us know who we're tasting today?
Okay, we've got Bobby, we've got Giada, we've got Sunny, we've got Ina, and we've got Rachel Ray.
You pumped?
I am pumped. I'm a big fan of pancakes, and I like the variety here. It seems that we've got different thicknesses, we've got different toppings. I think that, I've had dreams like this, and here we are in real life.
How do you feel? You feel confident?
No, absolutely not.
Neither do I.
This to me is Bobby, just because I feel like he would maybe use a different flour of some sort. I think this is Sunny's.
Sunny, yeah.
I think it's time for us to taste.
Great.
Shall we start with number 1?
Let's start with number 1.
Okay.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe below and click the bell so that you get notified when we post new videos.
I have a feeling this one's gonna be an apple cinnamon
It's
type of
definitely,
pancake.
yeah.
It's definitely darker.
Yep.
I mean, there's walnut in there too.
Yeah, some kind of nut.
Loving the walnuts.
Yeah. So you can't tell, but this has like a crunch.
I'm sticking with my guess. I think this is Bobby's. The crunch elevates it a little bit, and it's great.
Is there like a fruit in here? You know, there's like raisins in there.
What if I told you
Tell
Oh,
us.
tell me something.
these are oatmeal cookie pancakes?
What? Does that change things for you? Does oatmeal cookie pancakes change things for you?
I don't even know who I was gonna say who made the apple cinnamon pancake.
Oatmeal raisin cookie pancake. Well, that's making me think not Bobby.
I might say Ina for number 1.
Possibly Rachel or Sunny.
I'm getting like faint hints of lemon, but I can't tell.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's good.
It's
Like
so
some acid.
light.
Is it lemon?
lemon?
Am I making it up?
Is it lemon?
There's no lemon in these.
0 lemon.
Sorry, guys.
No
What
lemon.
I'm doing here.
No lemons were harmed in the making of these pancakes.
Am I having a
There
stroke?
is something sour.
Sour cream.
You know, I thought I was gonna have just like an average pancake here,
Oh.
but this is blowing my expectations out of the water.
I'm not opposed to a sour cream pancake whatsoever.
But who do we think made this?
I don't care. They're delicious.
Feeling was Ina originally. I'm gonna stick with that.
I
You
second
with
that.
Based on absolutely nothing, I think these are Giada.
I think I'm gonna go with you. I think I know who made these, but I'm gonna taste first.
Do you think it's raspberry?
Peanut
Peanut butter
butter.
and jelly pancakes!
Wow.
Yes. I just got more excited than I've ever been.
These are fine.
Given the texture, you think there's ricotta in here?
I think this is Sunny.
Oh wait,
Yes.
no, I think so too.
You know, it's funny you say that because when we were told that we might have a Giada recipe, my first thought was that pancake's gonna have ricotta in it. I mean, this is a shoo-in.
So let's just go with Giada. I like this because it's like, has that dinery, just towerness. But these are super fluffy.
Oh boy.
Is it really good?
It's like dessert.
I mean, it's very sweet.
That is wonderful. I think this is Bobby. I really think this is Bobby.
100%.
It's like gourmet, it's beautiful, it's got like, I don't know, there's something like really impressive about the way it looks and the way it all tastes together.
Just based on how sweet it is.
I'm going Sunny still. Yeah, 100%. We never agree this much. This is great.
I don't even know if I agree that we never agree this much.
I agree with that.
This is the one that looks like pancakes my mom used to make.
Doesn't it taste a little bit like,
I taste the lemon again.
There's lemon.
Yeah, do you taste it?
They taste a little bit like that Girl Scout cookie, the lemon one.
You're right, there's a little hint of citrus. So now I'm feeling this might be Giada.
It tastes like some kind of special flour too.
These have corn in them.
Oh yeah. It was like a cornmeal.
ooh, maybe it's like a semolina?
Oh, this makes me think it might be Bobby's too.
Oh, Giada lemon.
Giada lemon?
I'm gonna change
a
my
different
answer
flour?
to Giada, yes.
Well, this changes everything. Go.
Rachel, Ina, Giada, Sunny, Bobby.
I'm going Bobby, Ina, Giada, Sunny, Rachel.
Okay, so it's just 1 and 5 that we're.
I think we'll stick to our original guesses.
Okay.
So let's recap.
Ina.
Ina,
Rachel,
Rachel, Sunny,
Sunny,
Bobby,
Giada.
Giada.
Number 1.
Judgment time. I said Bobby, you
I
said
said
Rachel.
Rachel.
This is one of our discrepancies.
Yep.
Oh, it's Rachel. Oh no.
Rachel!
Looks like you owe me 50 bucks.
Congratulations! Whoa!
Yeah.
We never agreed to that.
All right, well, edit. Don't
We
edit
have
that
it
part
on
out.
camera.
Yeah.
All right.
Number 2.
Number 2, we both
So
said
it's
Ina.
Let's see. It's Ina.
Man.
Yep.
Oh my God, are you gonna go 5 for 5 here? We both said
3,
Giada for
Giada.
number 3.
3 was Sunny.
Woo!
Yes.
Twist!
Holy.
Does that make you rethink what's happening here?
This had to be Sunny. This is
Bobby,
not Bobby.
this is Giada.
Yeah, I guess you're right. So our new thing is this is Giada.
Bobby.
Yay.
Got it right.
Oh.
I can't believe that.
And here we go. You gotta be kidding me.
And which means number 5 is, of
is
course,
Giada.
Giada.
Okay.
So we just got the first 2 flip-flop. That's not bad.
Didn't get 100%, but I won $50. So still pretty good.
Not 100%, not 50. I mean, I don't know if you have bets with other people in this room.
My favorite was the peanut butter and
Yeah,
jelly pancakes
same.
made by Sunny.
This is just the fluffiest,
It's just kind of
lightest, like it's airy, but it's everything you think a pancake should do. Like if you think of the pancake of your dreams, this is that pancake.
If you're curious, you can find all the recipes for these pancakes on foodnetwork.com.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching Taste Test.